Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sehrish Muluk and I taught science and math to grade 7 and 8 students at Islamabad Model School for Girls, Badia Kadir Baksh. Today, I stand before you to share my journey of fostering student engagement within and beyond my school walls. Growing up, I was the youngest in my family, and everybody called me Tuli, a Chitrali word meaning tiniest. But there was nothing tiny about my ambitions. I was surrounded by family members in various professions. My grandfather was economist, my uncles were engineers, and my father was a doctor. But when I stepped into my school as a TFP fellow, I realized that this was not true for everyone, particularly for my students. They had never stepped out their community. They had never been surrounded by role models who could inspire them to dream big, to become scientists, politicians, musicians, and artists. They did not have the inspiration or the vision that could light a fire or drive them to meet their full potential. और फिर एक दिन मेरी एक स्टूडेंट जिसमें भरपूर सलाहियत और काबिलियत थी उसको स्कूल छोड़ना पड़ा. That day I came home heartbroken. I did not know if I could continue this work. Then I was reminded of our director program, Tuba Akhtar said to us during our training, this work will require extraordinary leadership choices. And it is those choices that will make you or break you. I had to make a choice, either to build a bridge of opportunities for my students or to give up. I choose the first because if not me, then who? That day, I promised that my students would have access to all kinds of opportunities, from newspaper and LinkedIn to the Teach for All community. I searched every platform to provide new avenues for my students to experience the world beyond the classroom. It was lucky that I was a STEM teacher because many of the opportunities arose through the curriculum itself. My students explore the physical world through models, projects, and experiment. When their interest was equipped, I prepare my students to participate in STEM Mela that were held throughout the year. They built models conquering hard problems like recycling, irrigation, and gained the confidence to compete outside the school at the federal level. 2 years in a row, we went to the STEM Mela. Last year, we come back with a medal and cash prize in the art category. As their curiosity about the world around them grew, they became my partner in climate advocacy. Our school was one of the 4 schools to participate in Climate Class Connection, a project designed by another Teach for Pakistan alum. Through this project, my students had the opportunity to attend workshops related to climate change at university level and to work with 58 other students from Islamabad Public School to make pathway for the local climate action. As the awareness and knowledge grew, so did their sense of agency. They feel that they can do to change the world around them. They design their own projects, plantation drive, thrush cans in and around their school, and community awareness walk, where they involve community members and partners in dialogue about the impact of climate change. And then we adventure out of the sciences into another exciting arena. By December 2023, all of my grade 8 53 in total, attend the Literature Festival at Pakistan China Center. For 10 of my students, this was the first time they had ever stepped out of the community. Nervous as they were, the parents gave permission to make this happen. The next day, my students were overjoyed. They shared their experiences, and other students expressed their interest and wanted to join in the future. उसके बाद जब भी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, मेरे 90 to 100% स्टूडेंट्स हिस्सा लेने लगे. जब टीच फॉर पाकिस्तान ने एक ऐसे कंपटीशन का इनकार किया, तो मेरे तमाम बच्चों ने ना सिर्फ इस कंपटीशन में हिस्सा लिया, बल्कि बेहतरीन ऐसे तहरीर किए. मेरी स्टूडेंट सादिया नवाज, जिसका लिखा हुआ ऐसे इस कंपटीशन की एक कैटेगरी जीत ली. आपके हाथ में मौजूद बुकलेट ऑन द फ्लिप साइड में शामिल है. देखते ही देखते मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने अपने लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी तलाश करने का अलम संभाल लिया. I watched them grow into their own great advocates. Shabnam applied for the Take Girls Summer Exchange program in the US. Muskan sought transfer to urban schools that offer better opportunities in the STEM subject in metric grade. As my teaching service come to an end, I see that my students recognize the power of dreaming of future full of responsibilities. Not only do they know that they deserve the world, they have also believed that they can conquer it. Their journey is intertwined with mine, and together we are rewriting the narrative of what is possible for those who dare to dream. Thank you so much.